It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 20th of December. I'm Michael Groff. The coldest air we've had so far this season coming in here tonight and tomorrow. We'll see temperatures going below freezing in a few spots tomorrow night. Then a gradual warming trend as we head through the weekend and much of next week. How's that Christmas forecast shaping up? And when might our next chance at some unsettled weather or precipitation come about? Let's talk about it. 67 degrees was the high in the valley yesterday after a low of 44, which is right about where we should be. Outside right now here at 8:45 a.m., we are under sunny skies. It's a bit hazy out there. And we are at 48 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 35, humidity 62%. The winds are light and the barometer is falling. Temperatures around south central Arizona this morning. It's freezing at Fort McDowell. It's in the mid-30s at Maricopa. Most of us here in central Phoenix are now climbing through the 40s and approaching 50 degrees. Here's the water vapor satellite view. The trough ushering in much colder air is off to our north and west currently. It's making headway toward the state, and we'll talk about the implications of that momentarily. The watch warning map, we've got plenty of wind advisories out here through the west, including much of northern Arizona, Flagstaff, the Grand Canyon, Kingman. Wind gusts could be as high as 40 to 45 miles per hour at times. These are for tonight into tomorrow morning for us in our state. Also, some winter weather advisories scattered about through the Intermountain West, the Northern Rockies, and out into the Northern Plains. Some winter storm warnings as well. Dense fog advisories, parts of the Southern Plains and along the Gulf Coast. The convective outlook for today, a marginal risk of severe storms from around Hattiesburg and Meridian, Mississippi to Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, Atlanta, Georgia. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days. Nothing for us here in the valley. Up to about 1/10 of an inch across northern Arizona. There could also be some light snow up that way as well as the system passes by tonight and tomorrow morning. And we'll get into the details of that and everything else as we check the models right now and go to it. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's that cool upper trough headed our way. And down at the surface today is a mostly sunny day. We'll see some winds picking up this afternoon across northern Arizona. Tonight, they should reach advisory levels. But otherwise, mostly sunny with highs upper 60s to about 70 here in the valley today. An absolutely beautiful day. Tonight, clear and breezy. A few clouds may come in after midnight. And there may be a rain or snow shower up in northern Arizona, up around Flagstaff, up to Page and the Grand Canyon. But we will stay dry here in the valley. Lows mostly in the 40s. Tomorrow, a bit of a breeze from the west-northwest, around 10 to 20 miles per hour at times. Otherwise, the sky is mostly sunny with highs much cooler. We'll be in the mid to upper 50s. I'd say about 55 to 58. It's going to feel a little bit different out there tomorrow. Then tomorrow night and Friday morning, this is when the real cold stuff comes in. Lows in the coldest valley locations could be around 30 degrees, so we'll be below freezing in some spots. In the mid-city, we should be about 35 or so. Still, if you have really sensitive plants, cover them up or bring them in if you can. Friday, we're mostly sunny and highs again in the upper 50s. Friday night, Saturday morning, another cold one with lows below freezing in a few spots and mid-30s in the warm sectors. Saturday, we warm it up just a little bit. Highs getting into the low 60s. Christmas Eve, we should be in the mid and upper 60s. That cool down that we were anticipating for Christmas, it doesn't look like it's going to come here. In fact, looks like it's going to be a pretty warm period coming up with high pressure building in. Christmas Day looks sunny and warm with highs low 70s here in the valley. We should generally be in the mid 60s, and now it looks like we're going to have a warm, pleasant day here for Christmas. Tuesday looks like mostly sunny skies and highs in the low 70s. Some of the models indicate we could be in the mid 70s. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 27th of December. Another trough headed our way and a cutoff low well off the southwest coast. And this could be a player in our weather later next week. But again, the models have teased us way out here. There is very little confidence in any solution. But I'm just going to continue with this run of the GFS and show you Thursday, the 28th. This system comes our way. Clouds would be on the increase if this verifies. And then we'd have some rain coming in here at the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Friday, the 29th. That does look unsettled with some showers and some mountain snows. But again, there is no confidence in this right now, and I'll show you why. Here's the European, same time, Friday the 29th. It shows dry northwest flow in place here, and it would be mild with high temperatures likely around 70 or maybe even just a bit above that. So we could very well go the rest of 2017 without any precipitation. And if we do, it would be an abnormally dry year, and it would be one of the warmest years on record, perhaps the warmest. We'll see. Temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. Yep, there's that dip in temperatures tomorrow and Friday. Overnight lows getting well down in the 30s. And I wouldn't even be surprised to see a couple of valley locations or some of the outskirts getting into the upper 20s on Friday morning. But then we warm it up nicely. In fact, the ensemble has us in the mid 70s on Christmas. Not sure it's going to be that warm, but it will be above average. That's for sure. And that above average trend continues through the rest of 2017. And that's going to wrap it up for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video is going to come back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Otherwise, be safe out there and have a great Wednesday.